Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your account and file access. Sign into Microsoft with the account tied to OneDrive. This lets Excel Online open and save in the cloud. Once signed in, upload the workbook to OneDrive or a SharePoint library because Excel Online requires cloud storage to edit collaboratively. Make sure your browser is up to date and that pop-ups and third-party cookies aren't blocked. These settings affect file previews and authentication. Now you're ready to open the workbook in Excel Online. You open the workbook from OneDrive or SharePoint by selecting it and choosing Open in Excel for the web. This uses the browser app rather than the desktop client. Once loaded, enable any data connections or external query prompts to let live data refresh. This ensures formulas and pivot tables work correctly. Then set sharing permissions. Choose Edit or View, generate a link, and restrict by organization or expiration if needed. If multiple users edit, make sure autosave is on to avoid merge conflicts. You finish by verifying edits, confirming autosave saved your changes, and checking version history to restore earlier versions if something went sideways. If a complex feature or add-in is unavailable, click Open in Desktop app so Excel's full features handle it. This preserves the cloud file. If you can't sign in or the workbook won't open, clear cookies, try an incognito window, or verify your account permissions with your admin. These quick steps resolve most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.